Como Zoo and Conservatory. One of the best free things to do in Minnesota on a cold winter day is to come into this warm conservatory, see the plants, and check out some animals. So come along. Okay, so technically, Como Zoo and Conservatory is free, but they always appreciate if you give a donation before you come visit. So nice and warm in here. So the statue right behind me is a statue of St. Francis of Assisi, who's the patron saint of animals and nature. So this is the perfect spot to have a statue of him.
We are going to try to go to the zoo side here. They close in about 10-15 minutes, so
yeah, we got here a little late.
We got here a little late, so we are going to fly through the zoo area and we'll check out some fun stuff, maybe some gorillas and polar bears.
Maybe we can go see some fish. What she was saying about the cougars?
No.
The volunteer was saying that both of the cougars were rescued because their parents were shot. Like one was shot when hunting. So they rescued them and brought them to the Como Zoo so they could grow up and be ambassador animals. What is this thing? What is it? It's just running around all crazy. It's an Arctic fox. For a really long time, there was a lot of controversy around the polar bear exhibit at the Como Zoo. The animal was exhibiting a lot of repetitive behaviors, a lot of stress signals. They've recently redone the entire polar bear exhibit and turned it into an absolutely beautiful display for these animals to have a lot of interaction and a lot of enrichment so that they can live happy life and be ambassador animals for their species.
Alright, that was pretty quick, pretty fun. We had not much time to walk around, but we did it. So we are now going to go get some food. We are in St. Paul, so we're going to go to COSSETTA'S.
COSSETTA'S is a St. Paul staple restaurant. It's been around since 1988 in this building. But in 1912 was actually started by an Italian immigrant. So we're gonna go in, check it out, grab some pizza, and see what it's all about. A man named Michael Cossetta came here from Italy and moved into the St. Paul area of Minnesota. This area used to be called Upper Levy, and it was a historically Italian neighborhood. And he opened up a very small, like, Italian market shop called COSSETTA'S. Over generations, it has been built into this big, beautiful 3-story Italian market. There's a bakery, there's pizza and salad and pasta, and the very top floor now has an Italian sit-down restaurant called Louis, or Louis, I think. So we decided for our adventurous food that we're gonna try today. It's called arancia rice ball, and apparently it's like traditional Italian rice ball. Oh. Okay, so there's like cheese in it and some sort of meat and pasta sauce, and it's like deep fried. It kind of tastes like, almost kind of tastes like a meatball sub inside of just like a deep fried ball of rice. That's pretty good. We should definitely get a cannoli, right?
Alright, that is COSSETTA'S here, and food was insane.
So good. We got some cannolis to go. That's everything for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hit the like button and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. Follow us on Instagram at Kyle Andrea Channel. Anything else?
I'm too full to think right now. I don't know.
Thanks
That was
for watching.
really good. Say